everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your student status in Google One and Gemini to keep using Google AI Pro plan and Gemini Advanced completely free. Let me remind you, a few months back, we got Google AI Pro plan completely free for 1 year, which was given to students, but all of us grabbed it because at that time Google was not verifying student status. But now they have started it, and if you will not verify it, they will remove our Pro plan along with all the perks including 2 TB storage and Gemini Advance. Before starting, let me make it clear. To verify our student status, we do not need any student ID or student email. We will use it again without student details, but you may need to add a payment method if you already have not added it. So that's it for intro. Let's head over to practical stuff. First of all, go to Google One official website, which is at one.google.com, and here you will be able to see this notification which says I have to verify my student status in 3 days. Otherwise, I will lose my yearly pro plan. What you need to do is simply click on verify button at the right side and it will redirect us to another page. Here we have all the details of pro plan along with the verification button. Simply click on verify eligibility button and it will redirect us to Sheer ID website. Well, Sheer ID is a student verification company and Google is using it to verify our student status. Here you can see it's asking us to provide our educational and institutional details, but don't worry about these. Simply click on the first link in description, which will direct you to Google Drive, where I have provided this verification document. Download it and then go to Google and search for PDF editor and open this website. Then upload our PDF file. Well, the idea is to edit this document and make it unique for you, and then we will submit it to Sheer ID website. This part is super important because on few places we need to add real info and on few we will go with the random. So please watch it carefully. So here we are going to edit this whole information. So first of all, let's start with the left hand side. And here we need to, change this barcode. Simply change any 3 or 4 digits with other random digits. I'm going to change last 3 digits. Now do not change the course, and in name provide your real name which is in your Gmail. So for me it's Amir Mushtaq, and here I'm going to keep it same. My father name is going to be same. My mother name is already random, so I'm going to change it. Then in mailing address, simply change these numbers. You may also change last 3 digits of this one. I have not tried it earlier, but you may change this one. And then here you need to write your first name. Here for me it's Amir, so I will keep it same. And then let's see on the right side, keep it same, and on the right side we need to change this receipt number, so I'm going to change 4 digits. Then in user, also change last 3 digits. Then in date, change it a little, and then also copy this date, go below and change it here too. Go back, change your roll number, so simply change the last 3 digits. Come back, and now we need to change the date of birth. It's one of the most important thing. We need to make it sure it's simply aligned with our date of birth which is in our Google account. So simply write your Google's date of birth right here. But if your Google date of birth is before 2000, make sure to make it between 2003 or 2005 because it's important. For me it's 2001 and I have tested it earlier, it worked fine, so I'm going to keep it same. Fine. Now simply change the phone number. If we add any extra text, simply delete that. Now we are going to change the phone number. I'm going to change at least 6 digits. copy this, go below and change it here too. Now go back. Simply change this reference number in payment details. I'm going to change 4 digits. Now change the amount. If such pop-up appears, simply click on replace. Now come back and change your email ID here again. So copy this and paste it here. After doing all this, make sure to verify it again and then simply click on apply changes and then download it. So it's Amir receipt 1, and now let's go back to Sheet ID website and right here write country as India, then educational email. For educational email, make sure to write School of Open Learning. Okay, School of Open Learning, New Delhi. Then write your first name and last name same as your Gmail. So for me it's Amir. Write the same birthday. Now here in email address, make sure to add this email. Click on verify my student status. Now it will redirect us to another page where it will ask us to sign in into our academic institution. It means we need to sign in our educational email. But we do not need that. Simply click on sign into my academic institution, and after loading this page, simply close that tab. And now here we need to upload proof on enrollment. Now click on submit and it will start verification. You can see our message is here. You have been verified. It's mean we are verified. Now simply get Google AI Pro. Now you can see they has redirected us to this page again, and now it says get student offer instead of eligibility verification. Simply click on it. If you have not added your card previously, you need to add it right here again, and you can see we are going to get 12-month free trial completely free. It's mean the free months we have used before, they will not count it, and they will give us 12 months again completely free, and it will again renew at September 16 2026, which means we have 12 months completely free. We need to simply add payment method and click on subscribe, and you will be good to go. So that's it from today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If yes, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button, and yeah, make sure to join our WhatsApp channel, because on our WhatsApp channel we provide a lots of premium tricks completely free. That's it. I'm Abin Mishtaq signing off. Peace out.